Alright, what's up guys? This is day 2 of Leetcode challenge. For those of you who aren't aware, Leetcode has a 30-day challenge for the month of April for right now. Perfect for everyone in quarantine. They'll be having a challenge that comes out, one challenge every single day. Comes out at midnight at Pacific time. That's 2 o'clock in the morning. For me, I'm actually going out pretty late. I got like an hour, 45 minutes to go. So let's do it. Let's jump right into it. Um, I'm starting day 2. I already did day 1. I had made the video but had some technical audio issues. Um, it's a real easy one actually. Single number. Maybe I'll post something a little later. And it looks like we got happy number. Happy number. Right now, algorithm to determine if a number is a happy. A happy number is a number defined by the following process, starting with any positive integer. Replace the number by the sum of the squares of its digits, and repeat the process until the number equals 1, where it will stay. Or it loops endlessly in a cycle which does not include 1. So it looks like it'll allow me to loop endlessly in a cycle and not care. Those numbers for which this process ends in 1 are happy numbers. So actually, I did a virtual interview for JP Chase for an internship, and this was actually one of the problems that they had. Full disclosure, I'm not a professional software engineer at all. Still going to college right now for the broad degree of computer science, but I got a little practice under my belt. I don't have Java installed. What is this? I just got a new computer, so. Anyways, so the purpose of these are you guys can see at first hand how exactly I tackle these problems, and how maybe you would do the same. Like I said, I'm no software engineer at all. It's all about the learning process. I just got a new computer and I didn't even have Java installed, so we'll just use this little IDE that it gives here. And we can run output code without things going terribly wrong. Like I said, I had already done this question in a virtual interview that I had with JP Chase. Wasn't able to successfully answer the problem, but I think I got the concept now. So into the concept here, we split the number, square both of them, and then easy, right? Modulo, iterate through it like 2 times, from what I vaguely remember. Yeah, cool. 419. It goes through to, if we were to square both digits, split it down the middle, square both digits, we got 82. Yeah. And then it goes to 68. I got 1. So 1 will continuously be 1 all the time. So we kind of hit a barrier there. So that's what we kind of want to do. So when it gets to that 1, it will no longer be anything else. One instance that iterates just 1 time through, and then we'll have another instance that iterates like a second time through. So this, instead of going to 82, we'll skip to 68. And then it will go straight to 1. So it kind of skips the 82 and it skips the 100. But we got a while loop going because we can't determine the length of how long each digit will be. So we can't use a for loop. The first iteration does not equal the second iteration. Let's go ahead and try to write a little bit of code. So I know we need to return a boolean. So I'm going to go ahead and put a return value of just false for right now. Int, we'll do first. Int last. The way I get this, like I said, I've done it before. I vaguely remember how it all kind of works. So knowledge through experience. So first, not equal last. We're going to do, we need to modulo by 10. Modulo by 10, we're going to go ahead and do a different method because it seems like a little bit more code that we'd have to write. So if we do public static some square. Just name it some squared int num. Cool. We need to iterate through. We need to iterate through however many digits there are in that number. So we'll do sum starts to equal 0 because we'll need to return sum at the end of the statement. Cool. Sum is going to add onto the number modulo 10 10 times num modulo 10. So anyways, then we need num to equals num divided by 10. I know we can. I just did a little simpler syntax there. So we'll change num each time it iterates through to collect the digits, while num does not equal 0. So this add the square to the sum. This should actually go inside of the parentheses, or that's going to be an infinite loop. Cool. So that should complete our method. Returns sum of squares. That'll make it easier to write the code over here. So first equals sum square. We were back over here. We needed to, let me add comments just for some clarification. Mine going blank. Iterate through until both numbers are equal. And the numbers. So what we're going to do here, like I had kind of displayed before, is when first and last equal 1, then this method will stop. So we got some square. So I remember this part. This is the second iteration 2 times over. So I'll explain that in a second. So we got some square of n. Let's see, not so much n, but first. So, and this one's going to be sum. This is going to be last. So then this should actually return true. I want to say that completes. So we're going to keep going as long as they don't equal each other. You know what, I see that's not going to work, because first is going to be 19 and last is going to be 19. Oh yeah, well yeah, these are supposed to equal n. I got a solution. The good do while. So this means that it will go and do this at least once, and we'll end on the while loop. So yeah, let me go through. First, we got first equals sum squared first. So in this variable, which is 19 right now, we got 19, which is actually going to equal 82 over here. And then we have last. Last is going to equal not 82, it's going to skip 82 because we have sum square inside of last. So it's going to skip 82 and go straight to 68 because it's going to act like it's going to be 82, but really going to 68. So we're not actually going to have that at all. It's going to go straight to 68. First is going to be 82, and then it's going to go straight to 68, and then 68 is going to go to not 100, but 1. So last is going to remain 1. It's going to go through again, because first is not equal last there. 68 is going to go to 100, 1 is going to remain 1, and 100 is going to be 1, and then it's going to be 1. So you get the concept there. That's how our code is supposed to be ran. And our sum square is kind of self-explanatory here. There's not much to it. Ooh, we got a compiler. Oh, I forgot to put int because it returns an integer. Let's try again. Judging. And then it looks like we're good. I think that's it. We'll go ahead and submit. Oh no, not good. I don't want to put true there. What can I put instead of true? If first and first equals 1 and last equals 1, double equals. I think this should work. So then this could produce false. Still good. Let's try to submit again. Oh yeah. For that one, like I said, I had a lot of previous experience. It wasn't too bad for the most part, but I guess that kind of concludes this. Like I said, the 30-day challenge is going. The challenge every day to test your coding skills. But yeah, I guess that concludes that. So